She had no trial, no defense, only silence. She walked her final steps, not with fear, but with defiance. Executed point blank at Dachau, September 13, 1944. She was one of many Allied spies, helping the French resistancer. But Noor Inayat Khan was unlike the rest. Daughter of an Indian Sufi mystic and an American from New Mexico. She had no stake in this war, no reason to fight. Yet, she joined British intelligence SEO as radio operator in Nazi-occupied Paris. She stayed when others were captured. And when captured, she stayed silent, even under torture for over a year. Her story is one of quiet courage, but so few know it. Watch the full story. Find the link in description below. Noor Inayat Khan. A historical story of extraordinary courage by Sarbon History Channel.